Welcome to Green Nest Microgreens. This video is about Fenugreek, or Methi. Our Methi microgreens are earthy, nutty, and power-packed to support your wellness journey. Our brand palette features forest green, representing our commitment to organic roots and nutritional density. Mustard amber is inspired by the golden Methi seed and used for highlights. For typography, we use Poppins for bold, clear headers and Lido for readable body text, ideal for sharing the science behind our greens. Our clean icons use minimalist iconography to guide the viewer. This video will cover the Methi roadmap, including the foundations of microgreens, wellness benefits, a kitchen guide, sustainability, and promotion and ordering details. We begin with the microgreen concept, small seeds with concentrated power. Discover what makes microgreens an essential superfood. Microgreens are young seedlings, harvested just after their true leaves emerge, usually within 7 to 14 days. This junior phase is the most nutrient-dense stage. Unlike sprouts, they grow in soil and light, developing complex flavors. Microgreens offer concentrated potency. Studies show they can have up to 40 times higher concentrations of vitamins and antioxidants than mature leaves. A small handful offers the vitamin content of a large bowl of mature greens. Next, we explore the story of Methi, its heritage, flavor, and growth. Fenugreek, or Trigonella Fenugreekum, has been an Indian culinary and Ayurvedic cornerstone for over 3,000 years, known for digestive and blood sugar regulating properties. At Green Nest, we modernize this heritage through precision indoor farming. Our Methi microgreens have a delicate slender stem and 2 rounded cotyledons, concealing a powerful flavor profile. We grow them in 100% organic cocoa peat media, requiring warm, filtered light, and precise moisture control. Our 8-day miracle timeline shows the fast growth cycle. Day 1 is soaking and sowing. Day 3 is germination in the dark. Day 5, they move to light. Day 8 is peak hand harvest. And Day 9, they are at your doorstep. Methi microgreens offer a distinct flavor experience. Nutty and earthy with a savory base, a milder, sophisticated bitterness, and a maple aroma from the compound sotalon. Let's dive into the benefits and impact of our Methi microgreens on health, culinary use, and the planet. Methi microgreens are like a doctor in a tray. They aid in diabetes management by lowering blood glucose, support heart health by reducing cholesterol, act as a natural galactagogue, and are a digestive aid due to high fiber and enzymes. For chefs, Methi microgreens are a secret weapon. They offer a delicate snap and vibrant green garnish. Their flavor provides a beautiful contrast to rich, buttery dishes, balancing fat with a slight bitterness. Our indoor farming model is both sustainable and economic. We are water efficient, using 95% less water than traditional field crops. We have 0 carbon miles, grown locally to reduce transportation emissions, and produce 0 waste, as 100% of the shoot is edible. We move on to Section 4, Nutritional Mastery, exploring the science behind the shoot and its powerful nutrient profile. Compared to standard spinach and iceberg lettuce, Methi microgreens contain significantly more iron and vitamin C. They also provide substantial vitamin K and dietary fiber, making them a nutritional heavyweight. Methi microgreens offer an exceptional iron density index, providing 12.5 milligrams per 100 grams, far surpassing the 2.7 milligrams in spinach and 0.4 milligrams in iceberg lettuce. Next, let's look at Section 5, the kitchen guide. We'll show you how to use these microgreens, from garnish to gourmet dishes. Our first tip is the ultimate dal tadka. Skip dried kasuri methi and sprinkle fresh microgreens over your dal just after the tadka. The residual heat releases the maple aroma without nutrient loss. Try our paratha and thepla twist for a visual and textural pop. Add a handful of microgreens to your dough, or use them as a fresh topping. This provides a satisfying crunch that mature Methi lacks. For modern zesty salads, use Methi microgreens as a 20% mix in your garden salads. Their peppery bite complements sweet elements like pomegranate. For dressing, a lemon honey vinaigrette balances the earthy notes. For green energy smoothies, try the Morning Detox. Blend Methi with spinach and green apple for blood sugar regulation. For a nutrient bomb, toss them into cold-pressed juices for an earthy depth and iron boost. For gourmet omelets, fold the microgreens into your eggs just before they set. This is an easy way to get greens in before 9 a.m. The earthy Methi notes pair well with sharp cheddar or paneer. Our final tip is poha and upma garnish. Use a mix of coriander and methi microgreens for your morning poha. The visual contrast and nutty aroma elevate this standard breakfast dish. Remember the never boil rule for microgreens, as high heat destroys nutrients. Always use them as a post-cooking garnish. For the best flavor, pair them with acidic ingredients like lemon or amchur. To keep your methi microgreens crisp, remove them from the delivery bag, place a dry paper towel in the box, seal it airtight in the main fridge, and do not wash until ready to eat. Consume within 5 to 7 days for peak crunch. Our freshness guarantee means up to 7 days of vitality. When stored at 4 degrees Celsius, Green Nest microgreens maintain their living enzymes and crisp texture for a full week. We harvest at sunrise and deliver by noon for maximum shelf life. We ensure quality by using organic, non-GMO heirloom seeds. We follow strict hygiene protocols and use 100% recyclable BPA-free eco-packaging, reflecting our commitment to sustainability and quality. Our packaging features professional branding. We use retail-ready clamshells in 50-gram and 100-gram sizes, with moisture control vents to maintain freshness and crispness. Each container includes clear nutritional labeling and a QR code for instant recipe access. Chef Vikram of the Spice Room says, "The earthy methi aroma from Green Nest is unmatched. It's transformed how we plate our signature butter chicken." Let's answer some top FAQs. Methi microgreens are milder than mature leaves and have an earthy, sophisticated flavor. We deliver twice a week, and yes, they are organic. We suggest a light rinse just before eating. We offer a promotional toolkit, including hero taglines like Methi Power, Micro Size, and Ayurveda in a 10-day shoot. Our social content highlights 40x the iron, 100% of the flavor. Experience the Green Nest difference, fresh, local, and living. To order your tray today, text Methi to 7,972,475,135 to get the weekly harvest menu. Visit our website or find us on social media.